Hi, my name is Ali Ayub and I'm a graduate student at Florida Atlantic University. Today I will be presenting my research that is amine grafted silica material, a potential adsorbent for landfill gas purification. Landfills are the third largest source of methane emissions in the United States. In the same time, methane emissions is a lost opportunity to capture and use significant energy resource. When solid waste is dumped in a landfill, methane producing bacteria begins to decompose the waste and generate methane and other gases similar in composition to biogas produced in farms. Using landfill gas helps to reduce odor and other hazards associated with landfill gas emissions and prevent methane from escaping into the atmosphere, which eventually contributes towards smoke and global climate change. In addition, the landfill gas energy projects generate revenue and create jobs in the community and beyond. Landfill gas typically has methane concentrations of around 50 to 70%, 20 to 30% carbon dioxide, and traces of water and hydrogen sulfide. The problem right now is that our existing processes are not adequate enough to process all these impurities in a single step. To address this issue, we focus to develop an integrated process for single-step removal of all impurities in landfill gas, including carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and water at a very low cost. Due to high affinity of amine towards carbon dioxide and high stability at elevated temperatures, we hypothesized that amine grafted silica will be an efficient and cost-effective process for landfill gas purification. Whereas the adsorbent material for landfill gas purification should demonstrate high CO2 uptake, fast adsorption kinetics, high selectivity for carbon dioxide, and stability during the cyclic adsorption and desorption process. To test our hypothesis, 4 aminosilicas were synthesized using dry and wet grafting. In the dry synthesis, no water was added, while for wet grafting, 0.2, zero point 0.3 and zero point 0.4 milliliter of water along with 0.5 milliliter of primary amine was introduced. The figure 1 depicts the reaction in two steps. At first, silica is hydrated and provides hydroxyl group for reaction with primary amine. The performance of synthesized samples were then analyzed using thermogravimetric analysis TGA. The best performing material, that is amine grafted silica with 0.3 milliliter of water, was selected on the basis of highest CO2 uptake at equilibrium conditions as shown in figure number 2. It also contained the fastest CO2 adsorption kinetics shown in figure number 3. This material was later exposed to rigorous 100 cycle test to check the strength of the material at elevated temperatures and repeated cycles of adsorption and desorption. The primary results are encouraging, particularly in terms of high CO2 uptake, fast adsorption kinetics, thermal stability, and long lifetime because it does not lose adsorption ability and the grafting water percentage over 100 cycle test. This concludes my research conducted so far. Additional experiments are needed before recommending aminosilica for large-scale real-world applications. Thank you.